Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today my Ju and I will be counting down our top 5 best looking Asian men and Asian women. Okay,
on the wall.
Did you want to start first?
Okay, sure. Okay, so recently I just binge watched this whole series in about like 2 or 3 days. I believe it's Quantico. And so I think that she is so beautiful because she, most of the time there, she's an FBI agent and she's kind of dressed out most of the time. And even that, she's still beautiful in there.
She's dressed down most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time she's dressed down. There's quite a few scenes that she went to like parties and stuff like that, and she had on like a nice dress and stuff. But most of the time she was just, you know, just in her t-shirts and workout pants or whatever. But she's beautiful. So you don't know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, Chopra. Yeah. There you go. Hey, I didn't kill her name, Valley, but that's my first pick.
I like her. She's pretty. I think like she could be, because sometimes Asians ideal of beauty might not be the same as Americans' ideal of beauty. But I think she can go for both. Like, yeah.
I think she will be popular in Bollywood plus also here in the United States.
And she is.
Yeah.
All right.
yours?
All right. Since we are Hmong, I wanted to include a Hmong girl, and plus I do personally think that she is beautiful, and her name is Aishwarya. If you guys watch any Hmong movies, hey. In the 90s, there was a movie called, I believe it's called Luning Jua. And if you guys ever watch any Hmong movies in the 90s, like this movie was in every single movie's preview. That's like a preview of this movie in every single Hmong movie. And she is so beautiful, and I'm talking about this girl. They did not have the right lighting back then. It was really low budget. Camera work was bad. Camera quality was bad. She probably didn't have good makeup on.
Makeup artists.
They have hairstylists, and she was so beautiful.
She's still beautiful.
So I'm like, hey, she can, you know.
If she looked good back then, I don't know how she looks. If we have the,
with all the technology,
all the makeup skills that we have right now, all the contouring, everything. I can already imagine how beautiful
she'll be up there, you know, all the beautiful Asian girls.
Okay, so this next person, I'm gonna really butcher her name. She is eun-hye.
Ooh, who's that? I'm not familiar.
I'll put a photo.
I'm not familiar with.
Okay, so this girl, I fell in love with her from Lie to Me, the drama Lie to Me.
Oh, okay.
And she is just so cute in there. I think that she has a different Korean look than most of the Korean girls that are really popular. I mean, she still has a cutesy look, but she's not perfect. Like a lot of the girls, I feel like they have the plastic surgery look, eyelids, nose,
like,
and mouth.
I see those eyes in somebody else.
But on her, she has like really big rabbit teeth that makes her really cute, and she comes off very sincere. I've seen a lot of her behind the scene, where it seems like a lot of the main guy behind the scene, they're like so like attached to her. Like she will leave a set, and the guys would like just grab onto her hand and like won't let go and talk to her and stuff like that. So she seems like she's very personable in front of the camera and also behind camera. It seems like people just love her. So that's why I'm in love with her.
Beautiful inside and out.
Yeah. I would like to think so. I don't know her as a person. I only seen behind the scene. I only seen her in movies. Yeah.
All right. So number 4 is actually a Thai actress, and she is so beautiful. I think she's so naturally beautiful. Her name is Min Pichaya. And I think you remember her a little bit from like an interview that I watched. It's like, I say she has a really big like smile, but it's proportional with her face.
Okay. Yeah, I think I know who you are. Yes.
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She's always, you never see her with like heavy makeup or really bright, you know, like lips or a lot of contouring. She just looks so natural.
She's very fresh looking, huh?
Yeah, she's like a breath of fresh air. And her hair is always long and luscious and always on point. She has this one look that she got down, and it's like it works for her, and she's sticking to it, and it looks beautiful. It's so funny because she has, like I said, she has that one look that she's always like this look. She always has that look on, but every single time you see her, it's refreshing, which
Yeah.
doesn't make sense.
You're
Which,
like, she should switch things up or whatever, but you're like,
Yeah.
no, keep it.
Yeah, she's just beautiful every single time I see her, and refreshing. Like, she has a new look every time I see her, but she looks kind of like the same.
Give it to
All
me.
right, and then is your number 3? Who is your number 3?
My number 3 is somebody that I'm always very envious of because
Uh-huh.
a lot of times I grew up with people always telling me I'm so skinny
Uh-huh.
and I should eat more and blah blah blah.
Opposite of me.
but at the same time, I don't have her sexiness.
Oh, okay.
She's skinny, but she's sexy skinny.
Mhm.
And I think maybe it has to do with her boobs because she does have a nice size boobs. But still, her face is very bony. And I would call her like the Angelina of Asia.
Oh, okay.
And so
I know who you're talking about.
My third pick is Shuki. Right?
I don't
How do you
know.
say her name?
I don't know.
Shuqi. That's all I know.
But
So
you
I was
need
just
to
about-
look up how to say her name?
No, because even though I look up how to say their name, I'm still gonna butcher it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really bad with names. I'm sorry.
The leading
Just know that
actress
if you
in-
ever meet me, I will remember your face. I just might forget your name.
Okay. Actually,
Yeah.
she's really pretty.
She's
Very
sexy, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I feel like she could be very minimal in her
Uh-huh.
face, and she could still be very, very good looking.
Yes.
hmm
Because she's in the Journey
Journey to the West.
Journey to the West, the
Uh-huh.
Stephen Chow adaptation, huh?
Mhm.
And oh my god, and she was in like rags.
Yes, she could wear a trash bag and still look
Yes,
sexy.
and her hair was like frizzy. She was in rags. Half of it was up, half of it was down. Like, why can't I rock that look?
I don't know. That's why I say
do it every day.
That's why people say I'm skinny, but I'm very jealous of her because I think she has a very like structural face. You know, I have very high cheekbones like her, but I don't know what went wrong with my face. You know, and so I just think she's very sexy. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of men out there are like, you know, that's their wife, that's their wifey.
Yeah.
You know,
That's their hall pass.
yeah. I don't know, but
All right.
yes.
And then my number 3, always also a woman that I am very envious of. I think I grew up thinking she was like, oh my gosh, she looks like a goody two shoe. But now that she's gotten older, I still, well, of course she was beautiful back then already, but she's still beautiful now. And I'm talking about the new Miss Wallace Hole, Ruby Lynn.
Yeah.
Ruby Lynn. Oh my god.
She's really cute.
She's
like an
cute.
owl with big old eyeballs, and you just can't look away.
Yeah, she's so cute. Beautiful, cute. If you guys like look at her pictures from when, like 2001's like when you first saw her dramas,
Mhm.
and now she's still doing dramas. And if you look at her
Same.
pictures, you're not quite sure what year they're from. And
Yeah,
that's like a
especially
20 year.
yeah,
that's like almost
especially
20
if
year gap.
like you just see her face, a
Yes.
portrait shot of her face. You can't tell. She doesn't even age
Yes.
anything.
I think she's turning.
We watched her when we were like in middle school or
Yeah.
younger, and she still looked the
I
same.
was in elementary school.
Yeah. Romance in the Rain.
Yes.
Back in the days, and we're still watching her. She still look the same to
Yeah.
me.
I think she
Haven't
turned
aged.
40, so we need to figure out what she needs to tell us.
she has
where,
6,000 youth. I think it's that SK2. Her husband is promoting.
Yes.
They
Oh my
found the
gosh.
fountain of youth because you know Wallace got better looking.
Since the SK
Yeah,
promotion.
yeah. So I think it might be
That's
that.
why I have one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, celebrity promotion does
Yes,
work.
yes.
Mhm.
We are not
Especially-
endorsed by SK2. Okay, the next one. Who's your next? Number 2. You're number 2, right?
Yes,
Okay.
my number 2. You know her.
Okay.
She's my Goshen.
Oh, if
And
you
so-
watch Hmong dub movies,
Yes,
You
you,
guys know
know
who
her by
Goshen is.
Goshen. So a lot of Hmong folks we know, like Full House, there's a dub version,
Uh-huh.
and they call her Goshen. And to me, I think she is ageless. Also,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like as she got older, she is more graceful and elegant. Before she was quirky and cute. And pretty, and now she's just elegant and just beautiful. I'm talking about Song Hae.
Oh, what's her
How do you
name?
say her last name?
I don't know. But see,
Kyle?
this is your
Song Hae Kyle.
list.
Okay, her last name is KLO. I don't know how to pronounce
KYO.
that. Yeah, KYO.
Oh, you said KLO.
Oh, I don't even know how to spell.
We'll just have her name at the bottom because we cannot say her name.
Yeah, I don't know how to say her name. I'm horrible with names. I already made that disclaimer.
All right. I'm number 2, right?
Yes,
Okay, what
you're number
number are
2.
we on? Okay. Number 2. Okay. She's known as the most beautiful woman in the world. Often known as, if you just look up the most beautiful woman in the world. I think her picture is the one that pops up the most. The
Yeah.
most, and now we're talking about Asian. We're talking in the world, and I'm talking about Aishwarya Rai. goodness gracious, beautiful woman. She's been doing movies for a really long time too, and I don't think I need to explain her beauty. I think she's pretty well known in Asia and also here in the United States.
Yeah, and a lot of times I think a lot of the late night show they invited her to their show, and I saw some interviews where they tried to pick at her intelligence or just nitpick at her you know, her responses of being you know, very family oriented and stuff, and her response is always great. You know, she's a very intelligent woman. She carries herself very well, very confident. I think she is a powerful woman, and I just love that.
Yeah, I think that when she first came to the States, I think a lot of people she brought on with her title, the most beautiful woman in the world, and then
a lot of people were like, ugh.
Yeah, well, yeah, and then I think herself, she didn't want that title too, because I mean that's such a, like, you know, she has to live up to that.
Yeah, and a lot of people have different views. Like we say, you know, what we think
she didn't give herself that title.
Yeah, what we think is beautiful may not be, you know, everybody's definition of beautiful. And so I think to her, she doesn't want it, but a lot of people think she's beautiful.
Yeah.
And I know that she was in tons of commercial, and whether it be in India or in, you know, in the European areas. And so she's just all over the place. So I know that a lot of people think she's beautiful, but she didn't want to carry that title. But I agree with them.
And then also people were, I feel like some of the interviewers were like, you know, is she just all beauty? Is there any brains there? And
so they're trying to pick that.
Yeah, she has the brains to back up her beauty too. That's why she.
Yeah, and I think at one point in time she was like Miss Universe or something also.
So that's my number 2. Like, who's your number 1?
So my number 1 is also Miss Aishwarya Rai.
Okay.
So to you, she's your number 2, but to me, I think I grew up watching her movies, and so to me, she'll always be the most beautiful. If anything, you know, maybe the next few years when I get out of my old stage, my mindset, I'm actually watching new movies and whatnot, then maybe I'll pick somebody new, but at this point in time, I still think she's the most beautiful woman. Previous years, a lot of people gave her a hard time because she gained a little bit of weight when she had her first child, and so a lot of people were like, oh, you're no longer pretty because you're fat now, whatever, right? But she did not feed into the negativity, and I thought she was just she carried herself really well. And you know, right after that, she just went back to be beautiful and gorgeous anyways. And you know, I feel like throughout the whole process, she was always very confident in herself, and she never feed into their, you know, negativity. So that's what I like about her, that she's a strong woman. She's not just all beauty. She has brain, and she's powerful, and I love that about her. And she's the kind of woman that I want to be.
When you grow up, you want to be like Aishwarya Rai?
Yeah, when I grow up, I want to be like her. I mean, I'm like turning 30, but yeah, I still have some growing up to do still.
All right, so my number 1 is drum rolls, please. A Chinese actress, and she's pretty well known here in the States as well as in China, and her name is Zhang Ziyi. Woohoo! Okay, so the only reason I didn't pick Aishwarya is because I think that her beauty can be overwhelming because she's so beautiful. That's overwhelming
it's
sometimes.
Like that one folk tale back in the days, but I won't bore you guys with it.
So the only reason I didn't pick her was because I felt like her beauty was too overwhelming sometimes. But I like Zhang Ziyi because I think that her face is so delicate, right? She has
very soft and settled.
Yes, her face is like, it's just a small Asian porcelain face, small eyes, nose, lips. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Yeah, I think I don't know, like sometimes I look at, you know, her type of face and I'm like, everything's so simple.
Yes.
How can it be that beautiful, right?
Yes.
Like, I think that her face is so easy to draw because the eyes are simple, the nose are simple, the lips are simple. It's like, how is it that everything is so simple yet it's perfect?
Her, she can, I mean, you can dress her up and she's beautiful. You can dress her down and she's beautiful. I think she embodies, like, I think a lot of Westerns' ideal of what an Asian woman looks like too. Not that matters, but I'm saying, like, when you think of Asian, you probably think of her.
Yeah, someone
she's
who
in a
looks
lot
like
of
her.
Yeah, she's in a lot of Hollywood movies too. But she is a total beauty. Gosh, I don't think she's gonna be beautiful for a very long time. All right, so that wraps up our video for the most beautiful Asian woman, and that was the top 5. Hopefully, some of your favorites made our list as well. If not, down below. Let us know who you miss and who you agree with or who you might not agree with. All right.
And just so you guys know, we are a new channel here, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. If you think that, you know, you like this type of video, let us know. Or if you don't like this type of video, let us know also in the comment section so we know what to do in the future and feed to your need, okay? So this is all for our top 5 most beautiful Asian women. And so, let's see you next time. 新基多。